This is a woman who records in a diary hearing the voice of God right before her 17th birthday. She was willing to take the time to listen to an inner voice, and literally this is how she describes it, of hearing the voice of God and recording that. This was in February. This was at a time where we know that one of her sacred spots of being was walking toward a tree that has a wonderful bench under it. So this was an important area for her to be.
Florence Nightingale was very compassionate, and she felt very much her life was a calling. And I think for those of us here at Brigham Young University, we believe very strongly that there is a calling or a divine role that we have to play here on earth through our profession.
A person struggles. She was young in her life. She didn't know what she was supposed to do. Family wanted her to do one thing. She had, you know, this great proposal for marriage. She just simply couldn't do that. And this tug, this inner tug, you know, from this call from God, she knew she had to do something with that. And then she made that commitment that she would serve humanity.
What inspired me really to become a nurse was I've always known I wanted to help people and be involved in their lives. I was able to realize that average people can take average skills and talents and do great things with it. That's what Florence Nightingale did, and that's what nurses are expected to do.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug.
I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling.
With loyalty will I devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
She was born to the upper class, to party and to dance, to go to the races and look pretty in society. But she would have none of it. Even her parents could not understand her. Her great, overwhelming desire was to alleviate pain and suffering, to hasten healing, to make less dreadful the hospitals of the day. She never married. She devoted herself to nursing. Perhaps no other woman in the history of the world, insofar as I know, has done so much to reduce human misery as this lady with the lamp, who walked through the vast wards of Scutari in the middle of the 19th century, spreading cheer and comfort, faith and hope to those who writhed in pain. Hers was a life of excellence.